Yes, so this is the example of a wild catch. So we're here looking for the queen, giving them some time to enter the box. So maybe this one now, this have been left for 1 day. Yeah, we got some honey and thing out of it. So some of it we left in the box. And also the queen, the cells, like the queen eggs. So they will take their time and go inside the box. So we'll give them an extra day, extra 2 days, so they can settle in well. So this is it, guys. This is the hive that I caught from the tree. So this is the one that was trapped. So this is the final result.